Hey everybody, I'm Lex from pdq.com. I'm going to take you through, some of the best ways of choosing targets for your deployments with PDQ Deploy here. So I've downloaded Chrome. I need to get Chrome out to my network. This is the latest version of Chrome. So of course, I highlight it, I hit deploy once. And now, how do I pick my targets? Well, use my mind, which is slipping, but I'm pretty sure I got a machine called Beth. All right, I know I got a machine called Beth, but for the life of me, I'm not going to remember all the ones on my network. So I'm going to go to choose targets and look at my Active Directory. Well, I guess I can put it with Alan Rails and Bert Person. To be honest, I probably just shotgun this out to my entire network, but I'm going to hit my servers. I may hit machines that already have the updated version of Chrome on it, and it's going to be a lot of wasted network time. So there is a better way to do this. So I'm going to cancel out of this, and I'm going to show you PDQ Inventory. PDQ Inventory has got a collection library that we maintain here at pdq.com. And if I go under Applications, Internet Browsers, check it out, Chrome. I've got 18 machines that already have Chrome. That's good to know. 4 of these machines have the latest version. 9 don't have it, which I don't think they want it. And then 14 have an old version. So if I'm just updating Chrome to machines that need it, all I need to do in deploy is now go deploy once, choose my targets from PDQ Inventory, go to that collection library, Applications, Internet Browsers, Chrome, Chrome Old. I just grab all the machines from Chrome Old, give it an OK. There they are. I hit Deploy Now, stand back, and away it goes. And to be honest with you, I don't even think I remembered the machines I just selected. I just know they have an old version of Chrome. That's the power of PDQ Inventory. It's going to help you streamline your deployments to all the machines that you need to get your Chrome and your 7-zip and your Windows updates to without shotgunning your whole network. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you later. I'm Lex.